So what's going on there, YouTube? Long time no post, no video uploads or anything like that. Been busy. When I uploaded my last video, I think it was the Husqvarna lawnmower or possibly the table saw. Right after that, I ended up going on a bunch of deployments and really didn't have enough time to shoot videos, edit them, and get them uploaded. So, and actually the table saw, both those videos, the table saw and the Husqvarna riding lawn or mower, not the riding mower, but the table saw and the mower, both I ended up editing them while I was on deployment and uploading them. At that time, I think it was like 5-6 years ago, something like that. So anyways, we are currently in a new Old Goat workshop, and as you can see, I retired from the Navy, hence the goatee and the typical veteran persona, I guess you could say. Anyways, we are, we're in a new Old Goat workshop, and it's a 3-car garage. So it's been a work in progress. So I'm currently in the process of making an outfeed table and assembly table for the table saw, which is right there in the background, right there, this way, that way, right there. Just a quick dust collection that I made a couple of weeks ago, just to get it going. So anyways, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get some other projects in the works. So there's, like I said, I'm making an outfeed table. No video on that one. I just want to get it done. I started shooting video, ended up the video just looked like crap. So I'm not even going to waste your time with it. I'm just going to get the project done and all that. My next videos probably are going to be these right here. I ended up getting me a DeWalt 735X planer and the mobile cart to go with it. So those just got delivered today, and I am gonna probably do an unboxing and tour review for those, and then we will get going from there. So hope to see you around. Continue subscribing. Thank you for the folks that have stuck around the past 5 years or so, kind of being patient with me, and we might get visited by some friends here and there, who knows. We had a couple of snakes in the backyard the other day. We're on 1 acre of land with lots of woods, so we might get some visits from some critters and wildlife, who knows. I have no idea. The snakes were a little surprising. Couple of copperheads, can't kill them here in the state of Maryland, so we will see what happens, and if they do anything, maybe I'll call a wildlife refuge or something like that and get rid of them. Anyways, back to the workshop. So yeah, it's been, like I said, it's been a work in progress. Stick around and hope to have your views. Thanks a lot.